Hi, this is Claire from AHA. If you're like me, you rely on dates to prioritise important work and stay on top of everything you need to get done each day. From big cross-functional product launches and projects, right down to small tasks, you probably have a lot to juggle. So today I'm going to show you how you can use the calendar view in AHA roadmaps to visualise all of your key dates. Let's go and take a look. You'll find the calendar under the Releases drop-down menu. Now, depending on the type of workspace you're using, this might be called Schedules. When you first come to the calendar, you'll see that it's set up by default to include features for the workspace you're on. Features are displayed based on their due date, and you can easily drag and drop features to move them around. You can also add new features directly to the calendar, and you can add any existing features that don't currently have a due date set. So here, let's move one into place, and that action will also update the due date field in the record itself. You can then go and customize the view to make it look exactly the way you want. So choose whether you want to see expanded or collapsed cards, add any additional information that you want to see on the cards themselves. So here I'm going to add the assigned to user, and then use the filters to make sure you're displaying only the most relevant information. So you'll see here that there's already a few filters added. You can filter by workspace, by releases, by feature status, or you can go ahead and add your own. So I'm going to add a new filter because I want to be able to filter by feature tags. So let's imagine here that I'm creating a calendar that I want to use cross-functionally for product and marketing teams to be able to coordinate on any features that are going to be included in a product launch. So here, I'm going to add my go-to-market tag, and you'll see immediately that now I can only see the features with that go-to-market tag applied. So if I want to go ahead now and share this calendar with my cross-functional teammates, all I would need to do is save the view, and then I have a variety of ways to share it. I can add it to a presentation, share as a web page, a PNG image, or a PDF document. Of course, there are many other ways that you can use the calendar view too. So let's create new calendar and I'll show you what you can do. You can choose exactly what record type you want to include, such as epics, features, initiatives, release phases, releases, and to-dos. Now, I'll be honest, the to-dos option is one of my favourite ways of using the calendar view. It's a perfect way to see exactly what work is assigned to you and when it's due. A really great tip here is to sync this calendar with any other calendar application you use, such as Apple Calendar, Google Calendar, or Microsoft Outlook. So to do that, all I need to do is save the view, and then you'll see that there is this sync to calendar option. And all I would need to do is copy that calendar URL, add it into my calendar application, and that will establish a one-way link from AHA to the calendar. And that way you can track your work deliverables alongside everything else you have going on. And that's it. Now you know how to create a calendar, save it, and share it. So give it a try in AHA Roadmaps today, and let us know if you have any questions. Our team is here for you. You can email us at support@aha.io at any time, and we'll respond super fast. Thank you.